how to start a home hot sauce business or even a hot sauce business online. So in this video, you're going to give me about 15 minutes of your time, and I'm actually going to walk you through step by step on how to launch a hot sauce business that can do at least $8,000 to $10,000 a month. And as the thumbnail says, I want to show you proof of actual sellers online who have sold more than that, almost $250,000 in fact. So if you're passionate about fiery flavors and you want to turn that love for hot sauce into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step from finding the niche flavoring to how to package it, how to label it, even how to market it. So let's dive right into it. Let's not waste any time. So finding your flavorful niche. Now, before you embark on this spicy adventure, you must understand that hot sauce market is diverse and competitive. Now, to stand out and succeed, which you can, you need to identify your unique selling proposition or your USP. Here's how to find your flavorful niche. Number one, spice profile. Start by determining the heat level and flavor profile for your hot sauce. Are you going to go with a smoky, sweet, or even a tangy taste? Experiment with various chili peppers to create a signature flavor that sets you apart. Number two, your ingredient selection. Now, consider using uncommon ingredients or unique combinations to elevate your sauce's taste. Ingredients like ghost peppers, habaneros, or even exotic fruits can actually add an intriguing twist. Number three, your target audience. So you want to define who your target audience is. Are you catering to spice enthusiasts, maybe even health-conscious individuals, or just gourmet food lovers? You want to tailor your sauce to their preferences. Number four, packaging and branding. Now you want to invest in eye-catching packaging that reflects the essence of your hot sauce. A well-designed label can attract customers and convey the quality of your product. Now, perfecting your sauce recipe. Now, this is a little different. So your hot sauce recipe is, of course, the heart and soul of your business, especially when it comes to hot sauce. So here's how to create a memorable sauce that keeps customers coming back for more. A balance of flavors. So you want to achieve a harmonious balance between heat, sweetness, acidity, and taste. It's the secret to well-rounded sauces like yours. Consistency matters. So you want to ensure that your sauce has a consistent texture and thickness every single bottle. This is crucial for both taste and presentation. Small batch testing. You want to experiment with small batches before scaling your production. This allows you to fine-tune your recipe without wasting resources. Next up, legalities and regulations. All right, so launching a hot sauce business involves adhering to various legal regulations like any food business. So to avoid pitfalls and setbacks, here are some key aspects you want to think about and keep them in mind. Number one, your business structure. Decide on the legal structure of your business, whether it's a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Number two, permits and licenses. Now, you want to obtain, of course, your necessary permits and licenses to operate your business in your city or county. Now, this may include health permits, business license, or food handling certifications. Number three, labeling requirements. Ensure that your product labels comply with FDA regulations. Now, this includes accurate ingredient listings, nutritional facts, and even allergen warnings. Lastly, food safety. You want to implement strict food safety practices to prevent any contamination and ensure that the quality of your hot sauce is safe. Next up, sourcing quality ingredients. All right, so the quality of your hot sauce will be heavily dependent upon the ingredients you use. So here's how to source the best components for your recipe. Number one, chili peppers. You want to choose fresh, ripe peppers from reputable suppliers. Even consider growing your own if you want to have even a better quality control over your quality of your ingredients. Other ingredients. Now, sourcing high-quality vinegars, fruits, vegetables, and spices. Always opt for freshness and premium options when they're available. Local sourcing. This was always a good idea, guys. Whenever possible, support local farmers and producers to build strong relationships and maintain ingredient consistency. This also takes it off your hands for you to grow your own. All right, so next up, crafting your signature hot sauce. All right, number one, recipe development. Now, experiment, like we mentioned before, with different types of chili pepper variations, different ratios, and additional ingredients to achieve your desired flavor profile. Number two, batch testing. Now, each batch of hot sauce, you want to make small test batches and record each ingredient's quantity precisely. This will actually help you maintain consistency in future productions. Number three, taste testing. Gather feedback from your family and friends or even potential customers. Ask them to be honest, give their opinions, help guide you through a recipe that maybe you can improve on. Number 4, scaling up production. Now, once you're satisfied with the recipe, scaling up production while maintaining the same quality of flavor is going to be critical. Number 5, quality control. You want to implement stringent quality control measures to ensure that every batch is your high standards. Number 6, your packaging and labeling. Invest in professional packaging and labeling. You want to make sure your design aligns with your brand image and what you have in mind. All right, so now setting up your hot sauce business. Location. Consider renting a commercial kitchen or co-packing facility to meet your food safety regulations and increase production capacity. Next up is equipment. Invest in the necessary equipment for large-scale production, such as industrial blenders, bottle machines, and packaging materials. Distribution channels. You want to decide on your distribution channels as well. So do you want to sell locally at farmers markets? Do you want to sell online or through retail stores? Keep in mind, in just one moment, I'm about to show you why you may want to be online 100% because of the profitability and the margins. Also, pricing strategy. So you want to set competitive yet profitable prices. Consider factors like ingredient costs, production expenses, and market demand. All right, next up, one of the most critical aspects that are overlooked, marketing and branding. So effective marketing really is essentially building your brand awareness and driving sales in the competitive hot sauce industry. So now here's a way that you can do marketing very simple. Number 1, branding. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects the essence of your hot sauce that includes a logo, color scheme, and a brand story. Number 2, online presence. Create a professional website and leverage social media platforms to showcase your products. Engage with customers and share spicy recipes with them. And number 3, content marketing. Now you want to share informative yet entertaining content related to the hot sauce, cooking, or even spicy food culture. This can help establish you as an authority in the niche of hot sauce industry. Next up, collaborations. Partner with local restaurants and chefs to actually feature your hot sauce and their dishes. You want to expand your reach and credibility. Next is managing your finances as your business grows. To ensure your hot sauce business remains profitable and sustainable, you must manage your finances wisely. First off, budgeting. Create a detailed budget that includes production costs, marketing expenses, and overheads. Pricing. Continually review and adjust your pricing strategy to maintain profitability as ingredients may fluctuate in cost. Record keeping. You want to maintain accurate financial records to track revenue, expenses, and of course, profits. Cash flow management. Monitor cash flow to ensure that you have enough working capital to cover operational costs. Next up, we have scaling your hot sauce business. And then I'm going to show you proof that people are selling nearly $250,000 of hot sauce online. As your hot sauce business grows, you may want to consider these strategies for expansion, product line expansion, introduce new flavors or product variations to cater to different customer preferences, regional and national distribution. Now, you want to explore opportunities to maybe even distribute your hot sauce to a wider geographical area. Exporting. Now, this is, if it's feasible, consider entering international markets to tap into global demand for your spicy condiments. Lastly is wholesale and bulk sales. Now, partner with restaurants, food service providers, or retailers to increase your sales volume. So now with all that being said, we've got that out of the way. Let me show you what I found on Amazon. Now, keep in mind, you can do this on eBay, Etsy, Shopify, Walmart.com, and the list goes on and on. Now, the more platforms that you're on, other than even Amazon, you're going to have a broader reach and have more customers to buy your hot sauce. What I'm about to show you may shock you, but it should actually get you excited about launching your own hot sauce business. Now, let's dive into this. All right, so I am on Amazon, and I'm going to show you 4 examples of insane amounts of money people are making on hot sauces. So I just gave you the rundown of how to actually do the business side of it. Now, these are some real life numbers from actual sellers on Amazon. The first one, yes, you guessed it. This one right here. This guy has sold over 10,000 bottles of his hot sauce at, let's say, $12 a pop. That is $120,331.64 on this hot sauce. It only gets even better. The next one that we've got is this one right here. This guy has sold an insane amount of hot sauce. 20,000 units at $12. By the way, that's actually at a discount. $12 at 20,000 units. He has sold $231,888 worth of this hot sauce right here. Next up, We have this amazing one right here, this garlic Carolina Reaper. This one has sold 7,000 units at around $10 a pop. That's $72,780 roughly. And now I'm going to show you one more that's actually going to be so crazy. Let me go to the second page really quick. It is amazing what you can. And then lastly, this one right here. This is at $14 with 20,000 plus units. The Truff hot sauce. This one has sold $281,582 roughly on this platform. So if you're asking that question, hey, you know what? I want to launch a hot sauce business, but I don't know if it's actually very profitable. There's a big answer to that, and it's a yes. Yes, it is. And of course, you've got competition. Don't get me wrong, and this doesn't happen overnight. But you can build a profitable hot sauce business on Amazon or even other platforms like Walmart.com, where you've got millions of customers looking at your product, and you have the ability to make a ridiculous amount of money. So if you have any questions about launching a hot sauce business, or if this was helpful, give us a big thumbs up. I will see you guys on our next video.